Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today, me and my friends, we will present the result of our discussion regarding qualitative research question. Okay, maybe we can continue by introduction our group. The first is me, Siti Fauzia, and Lutfia Damayanti, Kesa Karinadira, and Basma Maisha. Let's move to the first material. Oh yeah. Content is the nature of research question, characteristic of research question, sample of qualitative research question. The first is nature of qualitative research question. Qualitative research question on interpreting social and human phenomena and is primarily collected top trial work. Qualitative research are aimed at in-depth understanding that descriptive, explorative, or theory generating. And wait. All three approaches have important roles in qualitative research, depending on the purpose and context of the study being conducted. Descriptive research provides a detailed descriptive of phenomena, and exploratory research help to open new insights and identify areas that are not yet understood, while theory generating research seeks to develop new theories based on the empirical data. And the next material will be delivered by my friends.
Okay, for the next topic is characteristic of research question. So we found there are 4 characteristics in here. For the first is research questions stem from the aims, purposes, and objective of the research. Research starts with a general purpose, then turns it into specific question that can be answered with concrete data. This is the process of turning objective into research question. The researcher must ensure the research questions are in line with the research objective. The second characteristic is the research question must yield data that provide warrantable evidence to address the research purpose and objectives and to draw conclusions. The research questions should be logically connected to the research objectives. The data used to answer these questions must also be reliable and valid as evidence to achieve the research objective. And number 3 is it is the answers to the research questions that can provide some of the deliverables. A useful way of deciding whether to pursue a particular study is to ascertain the clarity and ease which research question can be confined and answered. For the last characteristic will be delivered by my friend.
So the last characteristic, it is according to Leong et al. In 2012, it constructing research question, it is important to have 3 points. So first point is knowledge of the literature on the topic, research literature, theoretical literature. So to demonstrate a comprehensive knowledge of the literature on a given topic, it is essential to consider both the research literature and the theoretical literature. And the second point is an awareness of the implication, practicability, and limitation in conducting the research. When conducting research, it is crucial to be aware of its implication, practicability, and limitation. This awareness ensures that the research is well planned, ethically sound, and feasible. And the last point is an integration of point 1 and point 2. So, whereas the overall research identifies the field, the main topic, and direction of the research, the research question asks for specific, explicit answer from the outcome of the research. So the next slide will be delivered by my friend.
Okay, so I will explain to you how to conduct research question. Before we make the research question, we need to know what steps of how to conduct research question. First, the researcher need to know how to need to identify the field of study or subject area. The second one is the researcher need to identify a specific topic within the field of study. The third one is identify the purpose of the particular study, and the last one is formulate a research question that relates to the specific topic, which is about theoretical and practical interest on our concern. So the first one, example, the field of study or subject area is speaking anxiety, but it's still too broad, too general. So we need to specify the topic. The specific topic is the use of web-based language learning to reduce Indonesian vocational high school students speaking anxiety. And what is the purpose? The purpose is to investigate whether web-based language learning might help to reduce student speaking anxiety. So the formulated RQ should be, what is the student's evaluation of using web-based language learning to practice their speaking? Because they want to investigate whether web-based language learning might help to reduce student speaking anxiety. That's why the researcher need to know what is the student's evaluation. Is it helpful for them, or is it not helpful? Is it like exciting to use web-based language learning and motivate them to speaking or reducing their anxiety? That's why the research question should be like this. Okay, next slide will be explained by my friend.
Okay, from the previous presentation, we know that qualitative research questions are designed to explore and understand social phenomena through in-depth descriptive inquiry. By following the step outlined before, researchers can develop effective research questions that guide their qualitative investigations. All right, so that's all for us about research questions. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.